Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a file in a Bitbucket repository. This is a straightforward process that allows you to upload and manage your project files directly through the web interface, making it easy to contribute to your codebase without needing to use command line tools. First, open your web browser and navigate to bitbucket.org. Once the page loads, sign in using your credentials. This will give you access to all your repositories and project settings. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your Bitbucket dashboard where you can manage all your repositories. Now look over to the left sidebar of your screen. Here you'll find the repositories option, so go ahead and click on it. This will expand a menu showing you quick access to your recent repositories. From this menu, click on View All Repositories. This action takes you to a comprehensive list of all the repositories you have access to, whether they're personal projects or team collaborations. From the list of repositories displayed, select the specific repository where you want to add your file. Clicking on it will open that repository's main page, showing you its contents, recent commits, and various management options. This is where you'll perform the file addition. Once you're inside the repository, direct your attention to the upper right panel of the screen. You'll notice 3 dotted lines there, which serve as a menu for additional actions. Click on these 3 dotted lines and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Add File. This option is specifically designed for uploading new files directly to your repository through the web interface. After selecting Add File, you'll be taken to a new page where you can specify the details of the file you're adding. In the Add Your File Name field, type the file name you want to use. Make sure to include the appropriate file extension so Bitbucket recognizes the file type correctly. Next, you'll see a text field where you can add the content of your file. Go ahead and enter whatever content you want this file to contain. This could be code, configuration settings, documentation, or any other text-based content relevant to your project. Once you've added your content, click the Commit button. Before the file is saved to your repository, you'll have the option to add a commit message. This message helps you and your team understand what changes were made and why. If you'd like to include a descriptive commit message, type it in the provided field. When you're ready, click Commit to finalize the addition of your file to the repository. And that's it. You've successfully added a file to your Bitbucket repository through the web interface. This method is perfect for quick edits and additions when you don't have access to your local development environment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.